All right, today I am going to show you how to adjust the trackpad on your Mac computer. All right, as you can see, I am on the main screen right here. No windows open, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get to the system preferences window. All right, and I usually do that by going down right here to the launchpad, clicking the launchpad, finding the system preferences spool right here. Once in that, I find the trackpad. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on the trackpad. And in here, I am able to adjust the trackpad. And two of the main features that I tend to use are the click right here. You see, you can click, light click, medium click, firm click. All right. You can adjust that right there. All right. All right, right here, the track speed. That's also crucial right here. I can slow the track speed or speed the track speed up, okay? So what I do with the track speed, I can slow it down. So like when I'm scrolling, it's like slow. Or I can speed it up by bringing it all right here, and it's like zoom, zoom, zoom all over the screen, just like that. But I like to keep it in the middle. That's where I'm going to keep it. So you can make adjustments like that. You can look at all these. I'm not going to go over all of these, but there are a lot of things that you can do. One of the things that are really helpful is the gesture mode. The gesture is very useful. I would suggest going over this and figuring out how to use all these gestures because you can be using them to get through your day. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.